video, you're not gonna believe how I managed to catch these beautiful trades on a Friday afternoon for a nice 1 to 8 risk to reward and for a nice 1 to 6 risk to reward. But before we get into that, let me show you what I've called out for my team and my people on a live session, telling them what was going to happen on GBP USD the night before. It's just a short one. Check this out. Okay, so this was literally the drawing that I made for the team, and while I was in the live session, I was speaking in front of everybody and telling them, guys, this is exactly what we're going to see tomorrow, which was Thursday, by the way, so tomorrow was Friday, going to happen on the chart. So let me show you what exactly happened. It's crazy. You can't make these kind of things up, and trust me, nobody is going to show you this kind of stuff anywhere in social media. Like, look at this. So this is exactly what happened on Friday. This is exactly what was the forecast given to people. Like, I had like 20, 30, 40 people. I don't know how many people were watching the live session. So let's get into the trade now and let's understand what was going on in here. So first thing first, you can clearly see that this was my forecast. So as soon as price stepped in there, it was obvious that I would have looked for a sell. At that point, it was obvious. But how would I have taken this sell? Understanding what was going on exactly momentum wise. So what do you mean by momentum wise? This is something that I talk a lot for my people in the community, is that you need to understand how price behaves when we are in the middle session. So in this case, you can clearly see, hold on, let me just zoom in a little bit for you. So you can clearly see the price started shooting all the way up here, right at New York session open. But then, as soon as price steps into the PY, it start dropping. You see the way it's dropping? Fine. So I already forecasted that when price comes in here, I should be looking for sell. That's exactly what I did right in there. But, why exactly do you have even a buy position here? Because something pretty interesting happened right before session open. When price started coming to the POY, right? Prior to that, price gave out a big fake out. You see this drop? This was a fake out, right? Why was a fake out? Because price initiated a change in order flow even before it tapped into the valid POY. And that was the biggest red flag. I'm telling you guys, that's what people don't pay attention to. This was already the biggest red flag. So when that happened and we had a lot of momentum kicking in, I was like, hold on, this demand might still be valid. Why? Because if they have shaken everybody out down here, it means that their intention is still to go further higher. So let's do this. Let's take this trade. Let's hedge the position towards the buy. And that's exactly the thinking, the logical thinking we use without getting crazy advanced into these trades. And look at this beauty. 128 and 126.81 is absolutely amazing. And you're not gonna get to see this kind of stuff unless you join my free live session. You can join the Telegram group. The link is somewhere in the description. And I'll see you all inside.